This is a quick demo of what we will build in this video series. We will create Angular CRUD operations with Firebase and Bootstrap 4. We have a simple example of product here. On the left side of the screen, you can see we have a form which we can use to create a product. A product has a name, it has a price, and it has a description field. Let me add a sample product here. I will type the price as 500. Once I am done, I will click Add Product button and the product will be added in our product list. This product list on the right side is showing all of our products from Firebase. Each product has an Edit and Delete button. If I click on Edit button here, you can see that the product is showing on the left side in the product form. I can modify the information of product here. Once I am done with my modifications, I can click Update Product and you can see the information is updated in the product list here. We can also use this Reset button to reset the information in the product form. If I refresh my browser at this moment, you can see that our changes are permanent. We can also delete a product. If I click on this Delete button, you can see that the product is removed from product list. In the next videos, we will take a look at how we can write code and perform these CRUD operations with Firebase and Bootstrap 4.